In this video, I'll be showing you where we can find your Facebook pixel so that you can integrate your autoresponder softwares or you can install in your website to retarget your website visitors. Now for people who don't know what a pixel is, that's basically a piece of code which I'll show you in the later part of the video. If you embed that code into your website, whoever visits on your website, you can retarget that exact person on Facebook and turn them into paying customers. And in any business, follow up is the key. If you don't follow up, you are losing a ton of money on the table. So follow up is key in any business. So the first thing you need to do is log into your Facebook personal account. And after you have done that, create a new tab and search for Facebook Business Manager. Now always remember, do not run your ads on your personal ad account. Always do run in a Facebook, Business Ads Manager. So this is the link of that website, business.facebook.com. You need to just click and put in your general information and create your account. It's free to create a business ads manager. And after you have logged in inside your thing, you will see something like this dashboard. And if you don't land on this page, what you need to do is come to top left corner, and besides this logo, Facebook logo, click on the 6 dots and click on Ads Manager, and you will land on this page. Now Ads Manager is the place where you can see about your how many campaigns, how are they doing, whether they are doing good or whether they're doing bad, and how much money spent and how many clicks they are getting, all the information. Now this is one of my business accounts which I used to run offer Flat Belly Fix. It's a weight loss offer. And before I show you where you can find your pixels, I want you to do one thing though. I want you to subscribe the red button below, click on that and turn the bell notification on and join our community. So to get your pixels, what you need to do is again click on the 6 dots and go for Events Manager. So that's the base where you can find your unique pixel ID. Now for autoresponders like GetResponse or Aweber, what you need to do is just simply, you don't need to copy the code, you just need the pixel ID. So pixel ID will, there will be an option in the autoresponder to enter your pixel ID. You just need to paste in there and it will automatically track the people who come to your email list. Alright. So you don't need a website code in that case. But if you have a website, what you need, if maybe ClickFunnels, it can be WooCommerce, Shopify, Wix.com or WordPress, what you need to do then is come to this green button, set up pixels, and select the second option, manually add pixel code to website, and there you will find your JavaScript code. This is the code. So simply click on that and it will be copied to clipboard. And then you need to paste this piece of code into your website. Now where to paste it? And there is ClickFunnels, like I said, ClickFunnels, WooCommerce, Shopify, Wix.com, WordPress, so many website platforms. I cannot show you each and every one in a single video. So what I'll highly recommend you is just Google search it. Losers do not do Google search, but winners always do Google search and find the solutions there. And I guarantee you there will be many videos and stuff out there which will help you to know where to put your Facebook pixels in your website. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, just keep going.